Nestled deep within the lush landscapes of Mindanao, Philippines, Lower Tugonan Falls stands as a pristine testament to the region's natural beauty. Located on the border of the provinces of Agusan del Sur and Surigao del Sur, this enchanting cascade is a must-visit destination for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. The falls are now accessible via a newly finished concreted road going through San Lorenzo, Prosperidad, Agusan del Sur. It is only a short walk down about 30 stairs from the car park to reach the falls. Visitors are greeted by a breathtaking sight. A curtain of crystal clear water cascading down a large rock face standing at approximately 20 meters, 65 feet, into the large tranquil pool below.
So loud as the hours pass, we're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild.
The inviting pool beneath Lower Tugonan Falls offers a refreshing respite from the tropical heat, inviting visitors to swim, cool off, and immerse themselves in the natural surroundings. Surrounded by towering trees and the soothing sound of rushing water, it's a perfect spot for relaxation and rejuvenation. The falls are best experienced during the dry season, March to May, when water levels are lower and swimming conditions are ideal. However, the lush greenery and abundant flow during the wet season, June to October, offer a different, equally captivating experience. Preserving the natural integrity of Lower Tugonan Falls is paramount. Visitors are encouraged to practice responsible tourism, respecting designated pathways and leaving no trace behind. Supporting local conservation efforts ensures that future generations can continue to enjoy the pristine beauty of this remarkable natural wonder.
At the menu, I won't be wondering when you finally go to take your first bite. 'Cause I already know what I wanna order, and I don't think I can wait for you.
Lower Tugonan Falls in Mindanao, Philippines, is more than just a waterfall, it's a sanctuary of tranquility and natural splendor. Whether you seek adventure, relaxation, or simply wish to reconnect with nature, a visit to Lower Tugonan Falls promises an unforgettable experience that celebrates the timeless allure of the Philippine landscape. Come and explore one of Mindanao's hidden treasures.
Things that show it, like the way you show you know it, when I need your love and support. If you could only learn to listen.
Thank you for watching this Upbeat Traveler YouTube video. If you liked this video, please click the like button, and we would love it if you would subscribe. We post content every week, so click on the bell button if you want to be notified when videos are published. Thank you again, we hope to see you next time. Bye for now.